Hey guys, so today I will be telling you how to prevent dry hair and remedies for dry ends. This topic is actually an ongoing question from some of you guys. So today I'm going to be making an updated video regarding this topic, and also these things that I am telling you guys are the things that I have been implementing now on my hair care routine, since I have been experiencing dryness on my hair as well due to the weather. So these tips are the exact same things that I'm doing on my hair as well to keep it soft, hydrated, moisturized, and manageable and tangle free all day, every day. So let's get started. Alright, so number one, if your hair is dry and damaged. Also, if it is bleached, don't skip conditioner every single time you wash or you shampoo your hair. This is the exact same advice that I'm actually giving to my sister since we bleached her hair. Ever since she got consistent about using conditioner on her hair, she really noticed a great improvement on the texture of her hair, just because her hair is no longer dry and brittle. Just because if you guys have been bleaching your hair, or maybe you damage your hair, you would definitely know that your hair becomes fragile. So if it's not soft or it's dry, it can easily just break. So using conditioner on your hair is really going to help save your hair from future split ends, from breakage due to either you styling it or even just combing it. So definitely use conditioner. Conditioners that are silicone free or sulfate free are very much ideal to use on your hair. And if you all want my recommendations of conditioner, what are good conditioners to use for dry hair, I am going to be linking them in the description box down below. Alright, number two is to use deep conditioning or moisturizing hair masks twice a week on your hair. Now this could be a DIY, or you can also use those ready-made ones. And also with the ready-made hair masks, my current favorite right now is the one that I have from Kerotin. I actually ran out of that, but that is one of my favorites right now. So when you look for hair masks, look for hair masks that are deep conditioning. Hydrating hair masks and moisturizing hair masks is really going to work best for that. I do suggest, if your hair is dry, to maybe kind of avoid the high protein hair mask, just because I find that it tends to dry up your hair and make your hair stiff. If you know that your hair is protein sensitive, or if you're experiencing protein overload. Alright, now probably some of you have been asking, what are the ingredients you can use in your DIYs to make your own deep conditioning hair masks or hydrating hair masks? For me, that would be yogurt, almond oil, avocado oil. Avocado in itself is really great. Raw shea butter, flaxseed gel, aloe vera, olive oil, and coconut oil. Those oils I find really works best in making your hair not only butter soft, but also really great at hydrating your hair or just making your hair come alive again. Once again, if you all want my recommendations, regarding the best DIY hair masks for dry and damaged hair, I am going to as well link it in the description box down below so that you guys can easily see it. Alright, so number three, you have two options. You can either use leave-on conditioners, or you could use oil serums in your hair and use that twice a day. Personally, for me, I use my serum first thing in the morning and then also in the afternoon, just because I notice that sometimes in the afternoon I actually do experience some dryness, so I reapply in the afternoon and then also at night. Now, if you have the same hair texture as I have, I think you can get away with using that much product on your hair. However, if your hair is fine, I think that using leave-on conditioners instead of using oil-based serums on your hair would work, just because I find that when you use oils on fine hair, they can make your hair look weighed down or greasy. I think I've shown you guys this on my previous video, and I really do like this product because it hydrates your hair, but at the same time, since it's not oil-based, it does not weigh down your hair at all. But I like how it hydrates and moisturizes your hair all day, and it also adds a really nice scent to it. I personally love just spraying it all over my hair and also on my scalp. That's what I put on my hair every day during the days to where I am not washing my hair or use any of my hair masks. So those are the products that actually sustains my hair throughout the day. I'm not saying that you should overload your hair with products, but what I'm saying is that just use it on areas to where you are experiencing dryness or to where your hair needs it the most. Alright, number 4, if it is summer in your country, if you are outside in the sun, use a hat or just bring an umbrella to protect your hair. And there is actually a SPF hairspray that you can apply on your hair every day to protect your hair from the sun. And also I think that that spray can really protect your hair from dryness if you're out in the sun or if you are going to the beach. Alright, number 5, last one. Speaking of going to the beach or to the pool, it is great to apply either argan oil or coconut oil on your hair, just to protect your hair from the chlorine water or the salt water. And also this is something that I'm always telling my sister to do as well. Since especially her hair is bleached, this technique or hack is definitely gonna save your hair from a lot of dryness. Alright, so that is it, you guys. I hope you all found this video helpful. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And also if you found this content valuable, please do share it to a friend. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye!